Hi, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to swap two rows in Google Sheets. Let's get started. First, open your Google Sheets document containing the data you want to work with. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. Select the number of the row you want to swap. Press Ctrl plus X to copy the row. You can also right-click and press Cut. Select a random empty row and press Ctrl plus V on it. Your data will be copied to that row. Now come to the second row and press Ctrl plus X to cut. Paste that row in the original place of the first row. Then you can pass the first row into the place of the second row. You can also use the drag feature for this purpose. Take your cursor to the row number until you see a hand. Then click and move it wherever you want. Do this for the other row and swap them. That's it. You've successfully learned how to swap two rows in Google Sheets. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Google Sheets tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.